Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your following on your Instagram. And this works on iOS and Android. It's the same way you can turn it on. So let's go. Open your Instagram. Now click on the profile picture bottom right corner. Now click on the three dots top right corner. This will open your settings. Now you can see account privacy. It says public. Click on it. Now if you go there, you can see private account. So turn that on, switch to private. Now my account is private. Now the following will be hidden. Only the people I follow can see who do I follow. So that's how you can hide your following on your Instagram. Thank you for watching.